Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to make a video on my motorcycle's exhaust note. So basically it's an slip-on exhaust of SC project, and it's a replica one. So let's start the bike. So this was the idling sound of the bike, and now we will rev some. Around 4000 RPM. Let's take it to 7000. So this was the exhaust note video of my motorcycle, and if you like the video then please give thumbs up and comment what do you think about this mod. Basically I was going to delete the catalytic converter, but the sound would be like, very harsh to the ears, so that's why I have gone for this mod, the slip-on one. And I have already installed scroll performance air filter, and already I have uploaded the video of it. You can check in the video sections, or I will put the link in the description. And if you want what all modification I have done in my bike, then I'll make a separate video on it. Till then, ride safe, ride hard.